If you have a serger or if you don't have a serger, you will want to know how to do the overlocking stitches to keep your fabric from unraveling after you start washing it. And once again, we can use our sewing advisor to know which kind of stitch is right for different fabrics. So we'll call this a woven medium. And so that was fabric B. And then our technique is technique number 2, an overcast. It recommends foot J. Let's talk about this foot. It's the overlock foot. So it has one little toe on it, and it also has a little pin here. The pin is going to keep the stitch that goes over the edge. So we're going to be stitching a little bit on the fabric, and then it's going to go over the edge. Well, what happens when that stitch goes over the edge? It sometimes wants to curl it. Well, the pin is going to support the stitch and keep it nice and flat along the edge. Also giving you a little bit of a reference point of where to guide the fabric because this foot only has one toe. Really just line it up with the toe here, and if you need to, touch the foot down, and again, push it 2 times, and now the foot is hovering, so you can get it perfectly lined up, edge of the fabric, even with the pin of the foot, and then just let it do its stitch. Now, this is usually not a stitch that I would pick. I usually pick some other ones, but if the machine sets it up for it, I don't even have to worry. I just let the machine pick the stitch, and off I go. It's also a very quick stitch because it's a forward moving stitch, and the stitch length is longer. I do actually like that stitch. So look and see what it does. This would be something you can go around all your raw edges before you sew it together, or even go back after you've sewed it together and do the same stitch where you're connecting the 2 pieces of fabric, and then again, you don't have any unravelly edges when you're done. Now, if you do have a serger, and that serger has black thread on it, and of course we don't want black thread on a lighter colored fabric, you need to know which stitches to pick on your sewing machine because it's not worth actually switching out your serger for like a short run like this.